Hey everyone, this is Abhilasha AKA TheTechGirl, and welcome back to my 10th board exam prep series. Math is difficult, math is overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to make it simple and fun just for you. Just a couple of hours a day, and you'll be fully prepared for your board exams. Today, we are covering the arithmetic progressions. This chapter holds around 5% of the weightage, and it is one of the easiest chapter you're going to come across in mathematics. And we are going to break it down into simple concepts and step-by-step process to do it so that by the end of the lesson, you will be able to solve arithmetic progressions like a pro. Stay till the end for practice questions. Let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start with what is an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers where the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. The constant difference is called the common difference. What does that even mean, right? You have a series. Firstly, let's go with the normal whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have the series. The difference between two consecutive numbers is 1 in all the cases, right? So these are AP. Let's say an example of series of even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The difference between all the numbers are 2. 1, 3, 5, 7. Difference between all the numbers are 3. 3, 6, sorry, 2. Difference between all the numbers are 2. 3, 6, 9, 12. Difference between all the numbers are 3. They have common difference. So they are all arithmetic progressions. They are all AP. From now on, we are going to refer arithmetic progression as AP. These are called AP series. Okay. Now, we have some of the examples here as 10, 7, 4, 1, minus 2, right? The common difference between 7 minus 10 is minus 3, 4 minus 7 is minus 3, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So there is a common difference. That's why this is an AP. The difference could be any number from positive to negative, and it will be called. Now, the example where we can say it's a series, it's a sequence, but it's not an AP is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, right? So let's say difference between 2 and 4 is 2. Difference between 4 and 8 is 4. Difference between 8 and 16 is 8. Difference between 16 and 32 is 16. So it's increasing in a periodic manner. Yes, there is a relationship, but this is not an AP series. This is not an arithmetic progression. Okay. So if you have to check whether a series is an AP or not, what you are going to do is you are going to check the common difference between the consecutive values. And if all the common differences are same, it's the AP series. If not, then this is not an AP series. Even if one has a different value and all the others are same, it's not an AP series. Okay. Now, AP has a general formula that AP is written as A. A is the first term. Okay. So let's say we have an first term as 7. Okay. Now, the second term is always going to be A plus D. D is your common difference. Okay. So A plus D. So let's say we have a D of 5. Okay. So for example, D is 5. A is 7. And you have to write for n is equal to 3. Okay. What is n? N is the number of terms in that series. Okay. So let's say we have a is equal to 7, d is equal to 5, and n is equal to 3. That means your first term is going to be 7. Second will be 7 plus 5. Third will be 7 plus 2 times 5. Since n is only 3, this is going to be till 3. So your AP series are till a plus n minus 1. Okay. So you have 7. The second number is 12. Third number is 17 and so on. Right? So we arrived at this formula. This is the formula that we use to calculate any number of value. So how do we calculate the nth term of an AP? you calculate an as a plus n minus 1d. So let's say I have a value of a as 9, n as 4, and d as 2. And I tell you to find some 15th term. Okay, so what are you going to do here is you will do a15 is equal to 9 plus 15 minus 1 times 2. So this is 9 plus 14 times 2, which is 28 plus 9. So 37 is your 15th term of the series. That's how you find. Okay. This is a series, you may have to find the sum of some number of terms, right? We can say you have to find the sum of first 10 terms. Are you going to, like, let's say you have a series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have to find the sum of first 10 terms. Are you going to do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10? That's going to take a lot of time. Yes. So what you can do is, like, this is a simple example. This may be not be as time taking, but we have a different formula to do that. And the formula is Sn, which is the sum of nth term, is n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times t. Okay. Or you can also say, so this, if you break it down, you get a plus n minus 1. A plus 1 minus g is nothing but an, right? So a plus an. So Sn is n over 2 times a plus n. An is nothing but the last term. So you can write it as L, or you can write it as L. Sn is equal to n over 2a plus a minus an. Okay. So let's see an example. So you have a series 2, 5, 8, 11. Okay, you have to find the sum of first 15 terms. What are you going to do? Firstly, identify. A is your 2. D is your 5 minus 2, which is 3. And n is 15. So how do we do this? Sn is equal to 15 over 2 times 2 plus 15 minus 1 times 3. So you get 15 over 2 times 4 plus 14 times 3. 40. Okay, so you get 15 over 3 times 46. Then you solve this to get, 15 over 2, not 3. So you get 15 over 2 times 46. You get 15 over 2 times 46. 15 times 46 is nothing but 690 over 2. So your answer is 345. So sum of first 15 terms is 345 in this series with 2, 5, 8, 11. Okay. That's how you do. And that's all for this chapter. So what is an AP? AP is a series which has a common difference between any two consecutive numbers, and it's constant. The common difference is represented by D. The first term is represented by A. To find the nth term of any AP series, the formula is A plus n minus 1 times D. N is the number of that term. The formula to find the sum of first nth term is n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, or n over 2 times a plus an. That's the formula. That's all for today's class. This is your practice questions for today. Please solve them and drop your answers in the comment, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep studying. Good luck. If my video helped you in your preparation for boards exam, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment to let me know. Also share this video with your friends and family, anyone who is preparing for their board exams, so that this can help them as well. Stay tuned for next chapter in my next video. Until then, ta-da!